So can you set a GIF as your profile picture on the WhatsApp? Let's get into it. So technically you can, because if you have a GIF file stored in your gallery, you can technically use that if you go to your edit page of your profile and you can upload it to your profile picture to WhatsApp. The downside, of course, is that it is not going to move as of right now because the movement or the GIFs are not really supported, but the file can technically be uploaded, right? So it just doesn't get you the effect that you want. Outside of that, there are some things. Obviously, Telegram has already implemented that feature, so it is possible that WhatsApp will do it as well. In order to keep an eye out for it, make sure you go to the App Store and check out a WhatsApp section right there. And you essentially want to make sure that you always run the latest version of the app, as it's possible that it will be available later in the future. So most definitely keep an eye out for an update. But as of right now, you can upload the pictures as well as create your own avatar within the WhatsApp profile pictures. So perhaps you can do that, or you can also import your profile picture from other social media platforms like the Facebook or Instagram. But that's it from me. I hopefully answered your question. I know that we would love to have the animated picture as the profile, but just stay tuned for more tutorials, because in case it would become available, I'm gonna make an updated video just about that. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you later.